blondes or brunettes.
I told you my bird call would work.
It really worked. Thought I'd better start rolling.
Thought I'd better start filming. New spot tonight, potentially.
Nothing's gone wrong yet, like forgetting your mat or... I'm going to be sitting on my ass.
He's going to be sitting cross-legged on the floor.
Yeah.
New spot?
New spot, restricted seating for me, because I forgot my chair and my mat to sit on. Yeah, I can hear you, Ton. Yeah.
New spot. Just have a little walk around camp. Jay's in his...
Snugpack Stratosphere.
That's it.
Yes.
And I'm down here in the Bivi bag again. Snugpack Special Forces Bivi, is it called?
Special needs, what?
Yeah, that's the one. Thank you, mate. The support, as usual. Right, we're going to get a cook on. We'll have a little walk around later. Yeah, what is it?
It's a candle. I've got citrinola in there to stop the candles. It's really...
Stop the candles or stop the
insects? It stops the candles, yeah.
Yeah.
But what I like about it is, little demo here, look. It's got a spring in there, so as the candle wax goes down, it kind of goes up. So it kind of... that's exciting, you know what I'm trying to
light
say.
It up, and then we'll have a look, can't we?
I'll do that with matches. Huh? Damn it. That is a light, isn't it? Yeah. Yep.
It's the problem with methanol, you can't see what's lit. Go and find him in camp, get the cook up on now. We're tucked in here a little bit. I think this might be a good little winter camp as well at some point. Are we still doing ale watch?
Yeah.
Or have people grown tired? No, I suppose if this is their first video, they've never seen ale watch, have they? Right, I'm going to do an ale watch.
Go.
We have on ale watch a ghost ship. I've got one of these Northern Monks. I don't know what it's called. It's just a Faith Hazy Pale Ale. Very nice. And another ghost ship. And then coming over here, my man
in the jungle.
He's got some Northern Monks. Do you want to whack them over? Because I don't know whether I'm allowed to. That's it. Well done, son. Do you want to see me make a bird caller out of a ring pull?
Yeah. When you say bird caller, brunettes or blondes or what?
Well, yeah, or whatever's in those trees.
Oh, I thought you meant like
light
birds.
This up later as well. You have to bend it.
Right.
Oh look, I singed all my hair there. The trick is getting it in your tongue.
The burnt tongue.
Yeah, all right. Can you see it on there? You got it on film?
I can't stop shaking.
Right. I got it the wrong way round. Wait a minute. Is that on there? Yeah. Over here, birdies!
Such
There's someone there, I can hear him.
Yeah, probably birds.
After I just blew the cover. I think I just blew cover. I think we've got someone round here. I was going to say about us now going for a walkabout, but should we lay low for a minute? There, look, there.
Are they blondes or brunettes?
I told you my bird call work.
It really worked.
Doesn't look much. I think they're gone. We're walking about. We did have company then. We just waited for them to go, and now we're going to go and have a little trek out.
If we climb up there, we'll have sunshine.
A good shot, isn't it? Is there anything we want to talk to the viewers about?
I just blew off. Not really. Doing this for me.
Just keep watching. It's not about you, it's about us.
Big up to the Phoenix viewers in America, because I know that we've got a sub. Although she's over here, it's
Yeah.
Oh, I've just found some potential wood.
Yeah. Look at the colour up in there. Look.
Yeah. Got some squirrel deaths, and they fall from that motherfucker, aren't they? Sorry. All the vegans.
We'll call it there.
Yeah.
Some sort of flower.
Wildcamp TV. Trying to get warmed up because we're about to dive in the sleeping bags separately, you might add. Really glad I brought my summer bag out because it's really, really summery tonight. About 5 degrees.
Is that what it is?
About 5, 6 degrees, I guarantee it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll be roasting in mine.
Oh, bollocks, dude.
I bought my winter bag. That is about it tonight. We're going to get up in the morning. We're going to cook some breakfast. And yes.
Make wise cracks.
Yep. There'll probably put some pictures on in a minute. And
Me again.
have I done a me again?
Have you done one?
I don't know. Have I done a me again? Cut. Morning. You all packed up?
Sorry?
You all packed up?
No, not yet. You just got up. Still there.
Is my breakfast ready?
How'd you get on last night, right?
Yeah. I didn't slide down the hill.
No, actually, I think I was alright for today, but it was cold.
Was you? Decent little spot on it.
Yeah, it's really nice. I don't know whether how cold it is down to being in the dip again.
Yeah, maybe.
I dented my egg on transport, but I don't think that's I'm gonna eat it.
En route.
It must have been. I don't know how. Actually, it wasn't on route because that was packed tight. Packed tightly. Can't pack eggs tightly, can you? I remember specifically putting them in and saying, putting the lid on, saying, "Well, they're not going anywhere."
This could backfire if mine is smashed. No, she's all right. We're really spoiling ourselves for these breakfasts, aren't we? What do other wild campers eat for breakfast?
Hotel food. I guarantee it. As long as you cut the bit of that.
I think I'll have another go. Clean the lens. Take 3. I think we are packed away and we're gonna make a move. Nothing to see. Jay's bike packed up there. Don't look as though he's got a lot on there, but I think he's got it in a bag. I'm all packed up. Mountain bike today, just for a change. That's where I was. Now to see. And we're gonna roll out. All right, over there? All right, I'll leave you to it. All done again, haven't we?
Yeah, that's good.
Another one. Keep rattling them off, don't we?
Yeah, well, that's a nice little shakedown of sort of minimal kit just to see what it is going to be like for the possible epic one we're going to do next week.
Yeah. Weather permitting.
Yes. Well, it'll be epic no matter what. We'll do something.
Yeah. Right, thanks for watching.
Yes.
If you got this far, you've done well. Sorry about that. I should have warned you, really.
With emotion.
But right, see you on the next one. Watch the next one. It's going to be a good one.
Aye.
If I do me again, right at the end of the video,
Yeah.
the Kino ones, I'll have to watch all the way through. Me again!